Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Varnaka. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to practice Utkatasana, chair pose. Utkatasana strengthens your thighs and ankles, and also it improves your core strength. But whoever has severe knee pain, avoid this asana. To practice, start in standing sthiti with your legs shoulder width apart. Inhale and raise your arms up. Exhale and bend at your knees and maintain in a position that you're sitting on a chair. Maintain with normal breathing. Inhale and come up. Exhale and release your arms and relax. If you found this video useful, like, comment and share and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Facebook and Instagram.